If you want to join us, you are welcome to.
Sure, we'll follow you.
Bye. You know what, folks? It's so sickening and it's so shameful that there are politicians who use the tragedy that we are facing right now for their own political agenda, for their own political gain. It's sickening. Because right now, folks, what we need is compassion, love, sympathy, empathy, and humanism towards our fellow mankind. The heck, man, there's a time for politics. We can deal with politics sometime later, but not right now. Not right now. I will say it again, folks. We can deal with politics sometime later, but not right now, okay? Not right now. Because as of now, right now, what we need is to show love, to show gesture of compassion to our fellow mankind. Okay? Let's deal with politics sometime later. Alright? You know what, folks? I personally know a couple of families who lost their homes to the California wildfire. And believe me, I feel terrible for them. I feel sad for them. Come on now, folks. Let's deal with politics sometime later. Por favor. Please. Okay? My fellow Americans, please stop watching Fox News. Because by watching Fox News, you will learn nothing but hate and blame. And Elon Musk, shame on him. Shame on Elon Musk for spreading misinformation and disinformation. And Donald Trump, come on now, man. Donald Trump, he's playing the blame game right now. He's doing nothing but to point fingers on people who are not aligned with him. Shame on him. And you know what, folks? I am glad that Joe Biden is the current president right now. Because if Donald Trump was the current president right now, man, I have no word to say. Believe me, I have no word to say. So thank goodness that Joe Biden is the current president right now. Thank goodness.